Welcome to this instructional video brought to you by the Office of Educator Licensure. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to upload attachments to your TNCompass educator profile. There are several licensure transactions within TNCompass that require the attachment of additional documentation to verify the completion of specific licensure requirements. While these attachments vary, some common examples are Tennessee Literacy Success Act training certificates, out-of-state educator preparation program provider recommendation forms, and experience verification forms. If you need to upload documentation to your TNCompass profile, you'll begin by navigating to the TNCompass website and accessing your educator profile. From your educator profile, scroll down until you see the Attachments section. To attach your document to this section of your profile, click the Add Attachment button. A menu will appear. From here, you will select the document you'd like to add to your profile by uploading it from your personal device. Once the file has been selected, please provide a descriptive name for the document and then select the corresponding document type from the drop-down menu. Once this has been completed, click the Save button. The document has now been added to your profile. You also have the option of attaching supporting documents within a licensure transaction. For example, this out-of-state educator transaction includes an Attachments tab where candidates are required to upload materials to verify the fulfillment of licensure requirements. This tab includes an Add Attachment button that you may utilize to upload documents following the same steps outlined previously in this video. Please be advised, any documents that are uploaded to the Attachments tab of a licensure transaction will also be uploaded and saved to the Attachments section of your TNCompass profile. Thank you for watching this instructional video. For more helpful guides and resources, visit the Licensure Resources page on the Tennessee Department of Education website at tn.gov/education.